Hey traders! Today I'm about to show you something truly revolutionary. Imagine taking just $3,000 and transforming it into an astonishing $11,500 in minutes, all thanks to our cutting-edge AI trading bot on Pocket option. Forget the stress of manual trading. Let automation do the heavy lifting for you. Ready to see the future of trading in action? Let's dive in! Before we jump into live trades, let me explain how our AI bot works. It harnesses real-time market data, sifts through complex trends, and spots high-probability opportunities in mere seconds. On Pocket option, where a 92% return on winning trades is the norm, this bot is designed to maximize your profits without the guesswork or emotional stress. It's like having a team of expert traders working for you 24/7. Now, let's put theory into practice. We're starting with $3,000. Watch as the bot analyzes the market and places its very first trade. Look at that precision. Within just 1 minute, that trade closes and our account jumps to nearly $5,800. An impressive gain in record time. But we're not done yet. Without missing a beat, the bot immediately reinvests our new balance. In its second trade, it capitalizes on another high-probability setup. And there it is, another win. In another minute, our total skyrockets to approximately $11,500. That's how rapid, algorithm-driven trading works. So, what makes our AI trading bot so unstoppable? Here's why. 1. Lightning-fast market analysis. It processes live data in seconds, ensuring you never miss the perfect trade. 2. Emotion-free execution. Unlike manual trading, this bot eliminates the pitfalls of fear and greed, only pure decisions. 3. Automated risk management. It smartly adjusts your trade sizes and sets protective stops, so your capital is always safeguarded while profits multiply. This isn't just about numbers. It's about changing the way you trade for the better.